Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off delete sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you are deleting something on your phone, there will be small sound. Okay, so if you would like to turn off the deleting sound, yes, you can do it. First of all, I go to my files to delete something. Okay, and I go to pictures, and here I go to this folder, and I am deleting a photo here. And while deleting, there will be small sound. Okay, after deleting, you will hear small sound. Listen carefully. So if you want to turn off this sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select more sounds, and here just turn off this button deletion sound, so that hereafter if you delete anything from your phone, sound will not come after deleting. Okay, now I am checking. I am going to my files again, and I am going to delete one photo, and here no sound coming. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off delete sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.